Hi everyone, I'm Satoshi Nakamoto. Starting today, I'm beginning a new series of videos to tell you everything you need to know about the most revolutionary currency of the past 20 years, Bitcoin. We're going to explore it all, from its origins to its evolution, from its role as a store of value to its use as real money. The world of Bitcoin is fascinating but also complex, especially for those who haven't yet taken the right approach to understanding it deeply. My goal is to help you not only understand how Bitcoin works, but what it truly represents, so you can make conscious and informed choices in the world of blockchain and the future of finance. But first, let's start with a simple, yet fundamental question. What is Bitcoin really? Not just from a technical point of view, we'll dive into that later, but from the perspective of its idea, its vision. Because Bitcoin wasn't created by accident. It's the answer to a problem that existed long before the blockchain ever did. I'll show you where it all began and why understanding its origins is the key to seeing its true value.